Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Ali Babika. I'm a clinical teaching fellow vascular surgery in one of the hospitals here in London. Today I'm gonna compare the GMC to the IMC. GMC stands for General Medical Council, which is a regulatory council for doctors in UK. IMC stands for Ireland Medical Council, which is a regulatory council for doctors in Ireland. You need the GMC to work in UK and you need the IMC to work in Ireland. How you can get your IMC as international medical graduate? You need to pass Press 1 exam, Press 2, Level 1, Level 2 and Level 3, and OET. Press, PRES, stands for Pre-Registration Examination System. If you are from specific countries, you don't need Press exam. If you are from Sudan, Pakistan, Malaysia, any of EEA countries like Norway, Iceland, and there's a list that I'm gonna show here. If you are from these countries, you don't need to take the press exam for the IMC registration, which makes it as advantage, right? So from the start, if you are from one of these countries, you don't need the press exam, and IMC would be a better choice. To get the GMC registration, you need PLAB 1, PLAB 2 plus OET, or MRCS Part A, MRCS Part B plus OET. These exams are costly. I'm gonna read from my notes here the fees for the exam. For example, for the IMC, your application price will be $450. I made it dollars to make it universal. Your application fee for the GMC is $500 for non-UK and $200 for UK. I'm gonna show the picture of this comparison here. For the annual fee for IMC is $615 for general practitioners and $340 for specialty. For the GMC is $520 for the full registration and $200 for provisional registration. The provisional registration for UK graduate, probably you don't have anything to do with it. The exam fees, and this is the important part. Press Level 2, $770, and Level 3, $1,100. That's why press exam is a big problem if you are not from one of the countries that are exempted from press exam. For the GMC, PLAB 1 is $310, PLAB 2 is $1,135. If you want to take the MRCS route, which is the one that I advise, MRCS Part A, $740, MRCS Part B, $1,250. The time frame between both is quite similar. For the IMC, it's from 3 to 6, but it could be extended more than a year. I have a friend who did his IMC registration. It was 15 months, which is a very long process. For the GMC, it's a bit shorter, but it's also depends on your circumstances. As I said, the exemption from the press exams are EU and EA countries, Australia, New Zealand, Sudan, Malaysia, and Pakistan. So you have it here. If you are medical graduate from Sudan, Malaysia, or Pakistan, immediately go with the IMC. Why? Because you will just need the OET and then you will be registered. There's no need for press exams, there's no need for PLAB, there's no need for MRCS. Be smart, go for Ireland. For the GMC, of course, there is exemption to UK graduate, they don't need exams, of course. EU and EA, Australia, New Zealand, Canada, and USA. Specifically, after step 1 and step 2 CK, and it was one day was step 2 CS, it was recognized, but now step 2 CS is cancelled, as you know. Regarding the job opportunities between both, there's no big difference, and there's opportunities in UK and there's opportunities in Ireland, putting in mind that with UK moving toward physician assistant, then the opportunity in UK gonna be less. So let's have a plan and how can you work this out. It depends on your specific situation. If you are from one of the countries that are exempted from the press exam, go for Ireland. If you are from Sudan, Malaysia, or Pakistan, go for Ireland. You just need OET and that's it. If you are not from one of the countries that's exempted, then here's the difficult part. Which one to choose? The GMC quite shorter in a time, relatively, in comparison to the IMC. But the GMC is more expensive than the IMC. The opportunities recently in the IMC in Ireland are more than the GMC. I'm sure you are aware, opportunities are less in UK now. And that's all. I hope this video will give you a light. I would advise you to check the GMC website and the IMC website. I'm gonna put it in the link. Please, if you have any comment or question, drop it in the comment section. I follow these comments every day and I will reply. Good luck and see you in the next video.